Do you have an uncut stone and wonder if it might be a diamond? While only a gemologist can confirm it for sure, there are a few simple tests you can try at home to help you decide if your stone could be the real thing. Here are 3 easy methods you can safely use. Number 1, the fog test diamonds have excellent thermal conductivity. How to do it? Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe onto it, like fogging up a mirror. Observe how quickly the fog disappears. Diamond. The fog clears almost instantly, within 1 second. Not a diamond. The fog stays for 2 seconds or more. This works best on smoother surfaces but can still give you a clue with rough stones. Number 2, the scratch test, hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material with a Mohs hardness of 10. How to do it? Carefully try scratching a piece of glass or quartz, Mohs hardness 6 to 7, with your stone. Diamond scratches the glass or quartz easily. Not a diamond, cannot scratch it. Important, be cautious, this can damage your stone or other surfaces. Don't perform this test if your stone might be valuable or if you're unsure. 3, the water test. Diamonds are dense and heavy for their size. How to do it? Fill a clear glass with water. Drop the stone gently into the glass. Diamond sinks quickly to the bottom. Not a diamond, floats or sinks slowly. Keep in mind, other heavy minerals can also sink, so this test isn't conclusive on its own, but it's helpful as an initial check. Final tip. These simple tests can help you rule out obvious fakes, but they cannot guarantee a stone is a real diamond. If you suspect your stone might be valuable, take it to a professional gemologist or a jeweler for proper testing. In short, check how quickly it defogs, test its ability to scratch glass, see if it sinks in water. These quick methods can help you narrow down whether your rough stone might truly be a diamond.